So articles everywhere are showing titles such as these. Well, that's exactly what happened on June 29, 2022. The Earth had its shortest day ever recorded. Our planet completed one spin in 1.59 milliseconds, less than usual. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one spin on its axis. That's called an Earth day, and not just a day, because a day on Venus is 116 Earth days. A day on Jupiter is just 9 hours, and so, every planet has its own length of day depending on its spin rate. But how did scientists get to this conclusion? Atomic clocks. Scientists began measuring the length of each day for the first time in the 1960s using atomic clocks. These clocks are the most precise time measurements. They use certain resonance frequencies of atoms, usually cesium or rubidium, to keep time with extreme accuracy. Earth takes about 8,640,000 milliseconds to complete a full spin. But in the short term, this speed can fluctuate by fractions of a millisecond from time to time. While this implies that the length of an Earth day varies, it only does so by a tiny amount. In the long term, previous measurements have shown that the Earth's spin has been slowing down, thus making our day slightly longer. But in recent years, however, Earth's rotation seems to have accelerated, shortening our days by milliseconds. In 2020, Earth experienced the 28 shortest days ever recorded. A record breaker came on July 19th of that year when Earth completed a rotation in 1.47 milliseconds under 24 hours. That record remained unchanged until June 29th, when Earth experienced a minus 1.59 millisecond day. Not even a month had passed since the record-breaking spin, on July 26th, recorded the second fastest day, with Earth experiencing a minus 1.5 millisecond day. So what's causing our planet to suddenly start spinning faster? It's not entirely clear, but some scientists think this has to do with the planet's inner or outer layers, oceans, tides, or even the climate. Some researchers think that this trend could be related to a small irregular movement in the Earth's geographical poles and its axis of rotation that shifts them by a tiny amount across its surface, called the Chandler wobble. While no one seems to know the exact cause. If the shortening of days continues, scientists may need to consider skipping a second, which would mark the first deletion in history. However, some tech companies such as Meta are saying the deletion could be bad for both digital applications and scientists who use International Atomic Time or Universal Time. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so you do not miss any upcoming videos.